know that memories and open hearts, like forgiveness or telling someone how much you appreciate them over Zoom or video message, is much more important. Ayun, para bang mas nakakaiyak yung words na you've been holding on for a whole year. Kunwari, like, your parents na you don't usually tell them you love them or how much you appreciate them, na specific talaga na words, like bakit niyo sila na-appreciate.
Hi everyone! Welcome back dito sa ating Vlogmas at para sa episode na ito ay kilalanin po natin si Katrin Su. Hello! Hi, Tita Kat!
Nanadeko! Oops, sorry.
Tita Kat, welcome and thank you so much for saying yes na mag-guest dito sa ating Vlogmas. I believe my Vlogmas ka rin sa iyong channel at social media, kaya later we will talk about it. But now, say hi. Asiyan. Hi! Bagong gising. ang mama kay ayos kayo, ang bata kay kangarag. Anyway, let's start with our first question, Tita Kat. How do you empower your followers through your branding and niche?
Okay, so thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here. So before, you could really, in my first few vlogs, you could really see that I was trying to be like super dalagang Pilipino, like, hey guys, welcome back to my as in obvious kaya dili ko ato work na mapagpanggap, because I was trying to copy the beauty gurus that I would watch online in YouTube na kanang super prim and proper and kanang more cute mo sila. So as time went on, mas napansin ko that I would have reactions and a better number of views when I was trying to be myself, kay kapoy na mag-acting. When I was being, if you know me, I'm very kiat and medyo weird. Sige, joke. Oh, duhan ko bubbles, mga bubbly ko. Good ka nang. I was very lang. I napansin ko nga na better to be authentic or real. So I think I empower other women through encouraging them to accept themselves and just to strive to be a better version of themselves. Kasi para bang you were made uniquely for a unique purpose and a unique calling, and that comparison will really kill your joy, and that with that, being your authentic self of how you've embraced your own quirkiness or how you were made, the right audience will go to you, and the right people, even in your life, even if you're not a vlogger, influencer, the right people will come into your life, or you will attract them. Just yung perfect people for you. Yeah.
That's so nice. That's so you, Tita Kat. Yes. Okay. Ito, next question is, lakas maka Miss Universe ito. I actually copied this question from the preliminary interview sa Miss Universe. So, what is one learning experience?
What is
yes.
Sige, go tayo.
Okay, Tita Kat, what is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you?
When I was a children, wait lang. One learning experience that made an impact on me when I was a child was how I don't want anyone to feel alone in a group or in a room setting na madaming tao. That's why they really call me yung PR, and always na ma-appeal sa this description ako kung birthday na kung blessing time na ako na kanang si Maymay tumustorya kahit na dili nimo siya, di niya kilala yung kausap niya. She really talk to that person, because I didn't feel alone naman when I was a kid, but I felt the value of making the person feel loved or known, yung napapansin siya, like I really try my best to parang may new face sa grupo. I want them to feel comfortable and parang acknowledge yung presence nila na andun sila. Because who likes feeling alone, diba? Yun.
Tinuod na, dili jud ka gusto nga na ay ma-OP. Yes.
Duoy.
And this one, Kat, number 3 question. Not just as an influencer, but as a consumer, name 3 things that you love using personally You can name brands if you want.
Okay. Sige, so for me, now that I'm a housewife, char, I, what I really, I'll just, concentrate on the house things na lang. What I really like, or I hoard, is a couple of cartons of Vitasoy Milky. Vitasoy kay, wala lang age, guys. Try na good. Oat milk, oat milk? Oat milk, or milky, at saka yung chocolate. Vitasoy sponsor me. Because I really like it, because I return it or reuse it to make coffee, because my husband's addicted to coffee. And smoothies, ayun, madami siyang things to do around with the house or ingredients. Next is Safeguard. Kasi guys, favorite ko yung Safeguard na liquid na hand soap. Oh my gosh. Pero more treat to siya sa mukha ko. Non-budget. Nagpalit ko isa kasi siya. Kaya grabe, ang bango talaga, promise. Kasi, and you know, especially na pandemic ngayon, you need all the help you can get din. Tapos next is UFC. Na sweet chili sauce. Sweet chili sauce and
Yes, ikaw
ketchup.
mahilig pa naman ka sa mga maaanghang.
Yes. And tsaka saucy ako na girl. Baba knows that I pair it with everything. Na para bang kung may kulang konti, baba, sweet chili sauce din. And kunin niya na, nabigay niya sa akin. So ayun, I'm a very saucy girl. And then, especially now that we cook na, it's really helpful if lang yung package na yung sauces. Ayun. Yun lang.
Yeah, that's nice to know that, Tita Kat. And this one, I know this is very parang emotional. Kahit ako na parang iniisip ko pa lang na ganitong tanong, it gets me emotional because Christmas is really my favorite season of the year. Yes, diba? Everybody is happy. Everybody is generous when we talk about Christmas. So, my question is, parang Miss Universe talaga. What is your Christmas message to everyone who is watching this video?
So, for this Christmas, it's gonna be a bit sad because the government mandated or advised us not to really meet with each other, especially if different households. But I want to encourage you, like, lang, just it's quite sad because our family decided not to meet na talaga. But I just want to encourage you the reason for the season, which is God, and then it's about the special moments, and it's not really about spending on gifts this season kasi pandemic or financially medyo mahirap financially this year. But I want to encourage you, like, make thoughtful gifts na you don't have to spend, just get things you don't use in the house, and that wait lang te. Know that memories and open hearts, like forgiveness or telling someone how much you appreciate them over Zoom or video message, is much more important. Ayun, para bang mas nakakaiyak yung words na you've been holding on for a whole year. Kunwari, like, your parents na you don't usually tell them you love them or how much you appreciate them, na specific talaga na words, like bakit niyo na appreciate, yun na, mas importante yun kaysa sa like physical gifts. And I just enjoy your season. It's gonna be a very fun season this December. And ngayon lang to na season, hopefully, God willing, that there are better Decembers coming ahead, and that you really appreciate, diba, na you really appreciate what you don't have anymore, yung bonding time, na seeing each other. Yeah, it makes you appreciate the things that's not allowed pa muna. It makes you appreciate your loved ones even more in the time. Yun. Thank you.
I like that statement na it makes you, parang, di ba, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Di ba? Tama ba? Ayun. Thank you so much, Tita Kat, for bravely answering, for answering our questions. And daghan mi og natun-an, ay for sure, pati mga millennials karon na nagasubaybay sa imo. And speaking of that, Tita Kat, please do invite those who are watching now to follow you sa iyong social media accounts, and if you have blog or vlogs, please.
Okay, so hi guys, I'd like to invite you to follow, subscribe, and unsubscribe Sa YouTube channel ko po. Katrin Su po. May promo po kami ngayon. 1 subscriber, I will send 2 pesos load. Yes. Yes po. Joke lang. Katrin Su. Just imagining spelling. Hindi Catherine, hindi Catherine. Mali ko na spelling permente. Yung Bisaya version ng yung matigas na Catherine. Okay, and then Su. But my husband is there. Hepten ako ngayon. But yun pa rin yung screen name. And sa Instagram po, it's at YOYOIM at saka yung M, then Katrin, KATRIM. And then I post about like funny stuff or about beauty or lifestyle and just about my life and about my learnings because, shareful kay ko, shareful sa mga pinagdadaanan ko po. And I hope that it gives you light and love. And yung learnings ko, parang, it's just not about me. Parang I hope it points back to the goodness of our God or our Father. Yun lang.
Yes, tinood na, Kat. That's true because whenever I visit your social media accounts, that's how I exactly feel.
Aww.
The love and light is really na-adjud ang love and light. Next naman.
Thank you too.
Yes. So, by the way, Tita Kat, thank you so much again for saying yes na mag-guest dito sa ating Vlogmas. And I also hope na more content pa sa imong social media. I'm happy that you are now back in uploading content. I wish you more beautiful and fun content sa imuhang channel. Thank you so much and thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow Tita Kat sa kanyang mga social media accounts. Thank you and have a nice day!
Bye!